Hi, with Data Pirates.
Hey, I'm Nepu.
I'm Caleb Martin,
Patrick Allen.
I'm Jared Martin.
and this is our project, the Boss Detector.
This is what happens when you do not have the Boss Detector.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You're supposed to be doing your work. What are we doing? We playing games? Where's the code?
Now with the Boss Detector, you'll be saved.
Hey, what you guys doing?
We were just about to finish up one of these methods right here.
I like that. Okay. Keep going, guys.
So the Boss Detector has several different modes, and I can hit a hotkey to change the mode. So now it's set to notify. So when someone walks past, it'll give you a notification. The Boss Detector has a Discord notification mode. So when your boss walks by your desk while you're not there, you can get notifications.
The Boss Detector. Never get caught slacking off again.